Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we make complex tasks simple and fun. Today, we're diving into how to organize Google Contacts in Excel for 2025. If you're tired of scrolling through a messy contact list, this tutorial is your game changer. By the end, you'll have your contacts neatly sorted and ready to use. Let's jump right in. First things first, why do this? Google Contacts is great, but Excel's powerful tools let you sort, filter, and analyze your data like a pro. Plus, with 2025's latest updates, integration is smoother than ever. Make sure you have a Google account and Microsoft Excel installed on your device. Step 1. Export your Google Contacts. Log into your Google account, go to contacts.google.com, and click on the Export button. Choose the Google CSV format, that's comma-separated values, and download the file. This will give you a spreadsheet-ready file. Next, open Excel and create a new workbook. Go to the Data tab and select, from Text, CSV, to import your downloaded file. Excel will prompt you to review the data. Make sure to select the correct delimiters so everything lines up perfectly. Now, the fun part, organizing. Use Excel's sorting tools to arrange contacts by name, email, or phone number. Add filters to hide unnecessary details, and create columns for categories like family or work. If you spot duplicates, use the Remove Duplicates feature under the Data tab. For 2025's enhancements, try conditional formatting to highlight important contacts, like birthdays in red. Once you're happy with your setup, save the file and, if needed, export it back to Google Contacts by reversing the process. This keeps everything synced and up to date. There you have it, you've just leveled up your contact management game. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.